Very good evening, folks. Maroon Cars Live, your Shiraz. Today, bring a very good deal on a good variant of a cute little hatchback from Tata, which is one of the best in class right now, hot in the market. Okay, I'm bringing you the Tata Tiago 1.0 liter Revertok diesel engine. Gives this beautiful beast, a cute little beast. Don't go by its size, go by its looks. The performance and the engine is the best in class. Gives a killer mileage of about 26 to 28 on highways and about 23 to 24 on in city with AC itself. Beautiful car with 4-star crash test ratings. It's a Revertok Tata Tiago 2016 model single owner car, diesel variant, XT. XT variant comes loaded with power steering, power windows, all 4 doors, electronic mirror adjustments, dual tone interior, central locking with remote, multimedia music system with Bluetooth, aux and USB as well. Beautiful mileage, 1.0 liter diesel Revertok engine. I'm repeating Kannada as well. Idu sir Tata Tiago 2016 model. Nimge sigodu Revertok diesel engine. Nimge mileage highway nalli ಒಂದು 28-28 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 23-32 ಮತ್ತೆ 24 ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ it's just 4,25,000 only, 4,25,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is the normal price of the car. Single owner, nothing to spend, only insurance lapse. Only insurance lapse ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬರೀ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 7,000 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It will cost you around 7,000. That's the only fact of it. A beautiful car. It's called as Sky Bright color. It's Sky Bright color. Beautiful variant. No accident, nothing. Single owner car. Driven about 86,000 kilometers. Let's have a look at the entire review of the car. ಈಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್, ಲೋನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ. Like I said, this is a beautiful Tata Tiago Revertok 1.0 liter diesel engine, XT variant, single owner car. Very neat in color, very excellent body line. It's called as Sky Bright Blue. Very neat. Excellent body condition, you can see. I'll take you the 360-degree view of the car. Very neat and clean, very well maintained. A beautiful variant from Tata, which is the XT variant, Tata Tiago. A beautiful car, nice 150-liter boot space. Tires are all good, about 70 to 80% life left in tires also. One small scratch on the left side back door, that's it. But that can be ignored. The car is just fantastic and beautifully maintained. With a nice front honeycomb grills at the front. Let me take you the review on the inside ones. You can see the entire bumper is all genuine. A slight small touch-up paint done on the fenders and the right side front door. One touch-up paint has been done just to avoid scratches and dents here. But the doors, let's see. You can see it's all genuine. No accidents, nothing. It's all genuine here. It's all dual tone interiors. Very neat. And even the C pillars are all genuine, 100% intact. No accidents there. The left side back door is also, right side back door is all genuine. No accident, nothing. Looks okay. All the double ceiling is all intact. As you can see, the company ceiling is all intact here. No accidents here as well. Very neat in condition. Very nice, neat C pillar. No accident, nothing on the C pillars too. Let me show you and open. As you can see, these are all company marks and company dots, which means idu genuine agide, original condition nalli ide gaadi idu. Accident ella enagilla, en paint enilla, no replacements on the car. It's all quite genuine and neat. Back side quarter panel one sati paint agide, bumper jote one paint agide. Idu touch up paint agide because of scratches and dents ashte. Nimge central locking with remote barutte. Let's open the boot space and check. Boot nalli ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಬೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ, ನೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ನೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್. 150 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬೂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2-3 ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And you can make about 300 liter boot space as well. Seat fold ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 300 liter boot space, legged space ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. All company joints you can see on the right side pillars, corners and the left side corners all genuine ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಿನೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಬೌಟ್ 95% ಲೈಫ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಿ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಟೂಲ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ರಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ that neat in condition. Left side of the borderline, as you can see, neat and clean. Left side back door has been painted and one small scratch ide illi ashte. Left side door ella genuine agide, no accident ella enilla gaadinalli, all original and in genuine in condition. Right there, bonnet, the left side front door also is all genuine, no accidents, nothing. It's all in genuine and in original in condition on the bonnet as well. As you can see, the front tires, munde tire ella 90% ide, it's all good, and back tires also about same 90%. So overall all tires are all C8 tires, ella chenagide. You don't have to spend nothing on the tires as well. Very neat and clean. And the under the hood on the engine part, you can see honeycomb grill baratte front to, fog lamp barodilla, no fog lamps there. You have right side aprons, I can see is all genuine, company seal condition, all seal condition, all intact, low cross numbers, upper cross numbers, everything is all genuine agide, ella original ide, accident ella enu illa. Even right side or left side of the borderline, company seal, all seal ide, no accident, nothing on the right side borderline. But touch up paint agide idu, quarter panel on the fender, left side fender has been painted once. All headlight support ella original agide, very genuine and neat in condition. Battery is also about 2020 is the latest new battery on bought on January 2020. So battery no hosad agide, so you don't have to spend anything on the battery as well. Coming back on the best part of the car, which is the engine, which is a 1.05 liter Revertalk diesel turbo engine. This turbo nalli performance ella tumba chanagi barutte. Mileage will be very good. This will give you a good mileage of about 23 to 24 in city and about 26 to 28 on highways, depending on driving condition. It driven about 86,000 on the odometer torsa ide. I don't know if it's genuine, but car looks good as a single owner, maintained well throughout. All engine ella seal agide company nalli. Yen accident ella enu illa engine alli, one kelsa illa, oil change, coolant, everything has been done. So basically ₹1 service enu pending enilla, bari iga diesel agbeku odisbeku ashte, aa tara condition ide. Let's see inside the review on the interiors. Like I said, the interiors, the car comes in all 4 doors, power windows baratte, nimge electronic mirror adjustment baratte, ORVMO, hindenu ashte nimge power window baratte, back side power windows, and you have dual tone space. Space ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, 3 ಜನ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಹಿಂದೆ, quite neat and more space. You can see front dual tone interiors, nice flat bed Tata steering with the Tata logo. ನಿಮಗೆ central lock with remote ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Let's switch it on and check. You can see 86,000 and it comes with Harman Kardon's correct next multimedia music system by Harman. It's all German made speakers as well. Very neat and built quality. You have Bluetooth, radio, FM, CD player connectivity ide idnalli. Sorry, there's no CD player. You have Bluetooth, media and FV, and you have USB and aux out option illi ide. Niಮಗೆ AC control ella front munde barutte, and you have 5-speed manual gearbox, a diesel engine. So mailbox ella barutte. So that's the home button. So you have the radio option and right there. So those are the options that you can get with the Harman Kardon speakers, the Bluetooth option, and all the interiors. Very neat and clean. Nimge the dashboard ella, handlebars ella chrome nalli barutte, which is very neat and clean. All the fiber ceramic body and chennagide. So that's the kilometers, 86,000 kilometers driven, single owner car. So like I said folks, it's a 2016 model Tata Tiago 1.0 liter Revertalk diesel turbo engine. Single owner car driven about 86,000 kilometers. Only insurance illa. Insurance will cost you about 6 to 7,000 rupees ashte. Bari insurance alli spend madbeko. You have to spend only on insurance. All tires are about almost new, about 90%. You don't have to spend nothing on the mechanical, borderline, all excellent condition ide. Ee gaadi bandu price agi nimge 4,25,000. The car is priced at just 4,25,000, slightly negotiable. Nimge olle mileage barutte, city nalli beku, long drive hogbeku. Safety rating NCAP global class rating 3.5 to 4-star rating barutte. It does not have airbag ABS, but car, the body line and gauge is all good in Tata now. Tata is a very strong model and Indian make car, so support Tata cars as well and support Indian make car. Even Modi has said buy local and go local as well. So basically, good deal of 4,25,000. Price is slightly negotiable. You can get easy EMI loans up to about 90% on this car. That means you just have to make a down payment of just 50,000 rupees, and rest ಎಲ್ಲ EMI loan ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So I can get you loan also ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ number phone ನಲ್ಲಿ mention ಆಗಿದೆ. Please take a phone and do give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube as well. YouTube ನಲ್ಲಿ Cars Life Shira ನ type ಮಾಡಿ. Go and like and subscribe for immediate new channel updates and new car deals ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ models ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ detail ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. I made about 1,400 videos so far till date. Thanks for your blessings. So I need more blessings from you by following and subscribing me on my YouTube and Instagram and Facebook channel as well. Thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends as well. Who knows, they might need this car as well. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋರೂಮ್ JP ನಗರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಗಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, and you will be very happy for this. Thank you for watching Cars Life.